Alright, so this here's a little nature trail and nature path that I built. Got a video of it actually up on my channel, but I'm gonna set this little camera up here on this fairly small tree. I think I can make it work though. Okay, so now there's two ways you can see the point of view that's out there. Obviously there's 3 motion sensors here, and if you're in setup mode, it will actually, let me go to that setup mode for you. I'll just mention this little screen is actually pretty nice. It is pretty good quality there, so you can see well. But in setup mode, if you move, you see this light, that tells you that it's detecting motion. So you can kind of, you can check and see where it's detecting the motion, so you kind of have an idea. For me, it's pretty easy because it's a pretty open area, but otherwise you could be in here, and when you move, it will tell you if it's picking up your motion. So here's, I can see my point of view. I can see it's pretty good, and then I can change the settings there. I can also go on the app and I can see the point of view on my phone, which might be useful if you want to walk someplace. You can see it live on your phone where it's going. So I'll show you how I can do that real fast. You can either use this button here, or you can press and hold the up button, or you can press this watch. That will turn it on. You'll see these lights flash, and it tells you to connect to your Wi-Fi. So it's doing that. Now I will go into, alright, so now I'll go into my app, the Hunting Cam Pro app. I just click camera, and now it's showing a live shot of this, so I can move wherever I want. And then I can verify that I like this this setup. I can also click on the photos and videos. I think it takes it a second to download them, but they should be on here. So let's see why it's not showing them to me. Maybe I'll go in here, and then I'll click this one. See if that does anything. Okay, yeah, so I clicked that one, and you can just see it has me messing around with the camera earlier. So you can click on these and see this is a picture, and you can swipe. You can also download these. You can hit that little download button on the left bottom, and then that will download that picture to your phone, and you don't even have to bring it inside to a computer to get the full res version of it. If I switch over here to video, I can also get the video. You can see how long the video is and what it has, and you can view this. So that's just me talking to the camera. It was capturing me at a different location. Okay, so let's leave it here and see what it catches.